Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Hi, hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, nice to have you. I hope you enjoy yourself, and if you're not, what up? School can be stressful, like very, very stressful. Especially Nigerian universities. I don't know what their problem is. It's like they're just trying to, what's it called? It's like they're just trying to stress us. I don't know why. I just don't get it. Like everything about Nigerian universities generally, but like Nigerian universities, it's just extra. Like I don't know why. So like you most of the time you don't even have time to like do other things apart from school work. And if you're like me and you don't really like school that much, it's going to be very draining. So but today I'm going to talk about how to take care of your natural hair when you're in school, because I'm sure like you're just like I like if it wants to grow it will grow, but you don't really have to do that. You can always take care of your hair, your natural hair, in school. Like actively take care of it and it will grow. So number one, the first thing you have to do is to study your timetable and fix your wash day on a day that you know is very free for you. And I think that's very self-explanatory. Like just study your timetable. Okay, Saturdays are the days that I can, what's it called? Saturdays are my freest days. Go right ahead, wash your hair on Saturdays. Number two, wash your hair in twists. When I discovered that I could wash my hair in twists, like everything became easy for me, like very, very easy, because you don't have to separate your hair or divide your hair into sections. Like you can just wash and then you use the shampoo over it again and again as tradition demands. So you just use you just twist your hair, or if you're already carrying twists, you can wash your hair in twist. It's very, very, very simple. Number three. What's number three? I got it. Invest in wigs. Like if you can't like buy wigs, like braided wigs, or just normal wigs like this type that I have on, if you can't get this type of wigs or braided wigs, you can learn to make them by yourself. Like wigs are a lifesaver. Like there's sometimes, especially during heat period, like when you get back, you know that you can just take it off. You don't have to start looking for how to pack your hair inside your bonnet, and especially when there's heat, it can be very stressful and annoying, because of course you're hot, so you just want breeze, and you can't get breeze because you already have your hair down and all that. So invest in wigs. I think they're a lifesaver. Like you can easily just pick one, wear your makeup, go to school, and come back. When you come back, you remove your wig and everybody's happy. Number four, wear simple styles with your own hair. Like you can always just carry your hair in a puff or two puffs. You can always carry your hair in a puff or two puffs, or just style your hair there's so many different styles you can try there. Online on YouTube you can search, you can wear fringe. uh I suck at this explanation. Very simple. Wear your hair, your own hair. Like, you can style your own hair. There are so many different ways to style your own hair. You don't always have to like wear wigs or wear braids to look good. You can always style your hair, your own hair. That would be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.